Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to show you all few backdrops or background ideas for your photography or maybe self portraits. Like these are the things which are like easily available around you, near you, and you can absolutely DIY it at your home. Also, before diving into the video, I really want to mention today's subscriber shout out. Today's subscriber shout out goes to Anupriya Patel, Pradnya Rajdeep and Hina Lebas. Thank you so much you guys for always appreciating my work, subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me and feels overwhelming at the same time. Also, if you guys are new to my channel and if you like my content, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below that you guys have subscribed to my channel. Your name and your comment might get a feature into my next video. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. Was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere, in everywhere. Every time we have a day, but unrealistic. I know how you like it, baby boy, and I miss that. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. Every time we have a day, I shouldn't ever have to feel this way, but every time I try to walk away, you come around.
So you guys, that's it for my today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found this video helpful enough. And if you did, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you happen to recreate any of these ideas, do not forget to let me know by tagging in your videos or maybe in your pictures. You might get a shout out as well, and I would love to feature your efforts, and I would love to feature your recreations in my Insta story or maybe on my YouTube channel. So with that note, we have come towards the end of this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then,